rainy day in Stockholm, or more specifically in Lidingö. Yes, after 3 days of sea escape, actually lake escape, as I was exploring 3 different lakes in the past 3 days. Today I finally fixed my bicycle, my Scott bike. It is not right here as I have it at close by here, locked, and I am then out for a swim on the sea here in Lidingö. This beach spot over here is called Islinge, in the same named area, and it basically consists of a green area as a beach and then a small jetty with 2 steps to get into the water. Now 1st of August, the day is today, and this is how summer can also look like in Sweden, as it was raining almost all day today, and I was actually cycling 16 kilometers from my home to get here to Lidingö. And I have been here in Lidingö a few weeks ago, and now it was time to come here again. So we can see on the other side Ropsten, which is the closest metro station, as Lidingö has a tram actually that runs here, that's called Lidingöbanan. And we can also see on the other side towards Universitetet, which is part of where Stockholm ends and then Solna begins. This is here the sea, the Baltic Sea, but the water is not as salty as it usually is, and it's raining right now, as you can see, but I'm not made of sugar, so I can definitely go in for a swim. So yeah, let's also jump, because why not? Ready, set, and go! Oh, yes, this is the sea. I can feel the sea water. And it is so warm in the lake, much warmer than, in the sea, much warmer than in the air. Oh, it says, let's see, let's wait for a few more seconds as I'm showing you around this landscape here at Islinge. It's very close to Lidingö Centrum, just 1 kilometer, and it's probably the closest beach to the bridge that connects Lidingö, this island, with the mainland of Stockholm. And I think last time I was here it was 23 degrees or something, but now it is only 20 degrees in the sea over here. Still warmer than the air, for sure. So yeah, beach adventures with Kris continue on the 1st of August, beach day number 77, and it feels, oh, there's also a Ukrainian flag over there. That's like a boat garage or parking over there, and they have the Ukrainian flag, as most of Sweden stands with Ukraine, obviously, in the ongoing conflict that is going on, and definitely peace needs to come soon, for sure, as there should be no wars at all. But yeah, beach adventures with Kris continue. I have fixed my bike, and soon there will be more beach adventures from the sea with my bike Scott. So yeah, what else? 1st of August is today, and the rain is taking over, so it's gonna be the weather will be like this in the upcoming 7 days, so I think it's good that I didn't buy actually another monthly card for transport, as at this point it's not so good to go far away for a beach adventure. So yeah, greetings from Islinge in Lidingö, and I will be maybe going for a swim longer here later. So cheers from Islinge, and see you soon again with another beach adventure, rainy maybe, on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.